Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create an account on Wells Fargo Bank online. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to create an account on Wells Fargo Bank online, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in wellsfargo.com like this and enter. And over here, this is the home page of Wells Fargo itself, where as you can see the enroll button available over here on the bottom left corner of your screen, where I'm hovering with my mouse right now. Click on enroll, and over here you'll be first required to enter your social security number, and after that enter your date of birth and click on continue. Then you will have to provide many details required by the bank in order to be able to create an account on Wells Fargo. And after providing all of your details, Wells Fargo will you will have created an account on Wells Fargo if you are eligible for it. And guys, this is how you create an account on Wells Fargo Bank online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.